If you are short on time and want to eat something delicious, then this recipe is perfect for you. Today, we are making an easy and perfect dinner idea, Aloo Matar Pulao, which is quick to make and very simple. First, heat half a cup of oil. Add 2 medium onions and fry until light golden. Now add 3 medium potatoes and fry them well. Then add 1 cup of peas and mix everything nicely. Add biryani masala and mix well. Now add 3 medium tomatoes and cook until the oil separates. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and cook for a while. Then add 4 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Now add 2 cups of soaked rice and cook until the water dries. Once the water is dried, cover and let it steam for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, gently mix the rice. Your delicious Aloo Matar Pulao is ready. Do try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Serve it with green chutney and enjoy. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video.